Today we are here with our most recent satisfied client, Kristin, and we're talking about her auto accident and the wreck that caused significant damage to her, her family, and her financial future. And we wanted to talk with you today and explain why you should hire Rohan Law. How are you doing, Kristin?
I'm great. How are you?
Absolutely fantastic.
Good.
Thank you for taking time to meet with us today. The first thing we want to talk about is, obviously, you had your accident. Tell us briefly what happened.
Well, I had just picked up my son from high school band practice, and we were headed home. We were just about 1.5 miles from home, and there was a left lane that was completely stopped, and I was in the right lane because it was a turn-only lane, and there was a business to my right, and a woman went across 2 lanes of traffic, and I ended up in the side of her. Oh. She did not look before she crossed into my lane, and there was not enough time to stop.
Now, obviously, that morning when you woke up, this was not on your list of things to do, right?
Not at all.
Okay. Well, the reality is that we only get called when there is a bad day. Right. You didn't plan on calling us that day, but talk about first why you decided to hire an attorney.
We were overwhelmed. I had medical bills, I had surgery, my son had some injuries as well, so there was no way that we could have handled, dealing with the insurance company, dealing with my medical insurance company, so that it was no question that we had to turn, to you all for help.
Now, you had somebody else at fault,
yes,
but you also mentioned some medical bills. Mm-hmm. Did the other party have enough insurance to cover all of your expenses?
Oh, no, they did not. They had the bare minimum.
And so what were you able to do to cover those additional costs?
We had uninsured motorists. Yes, that covered the rest of it.
And you ended up having surgery on your wrist?
I did, yes.
And how is Brendan doing?
Oh, he's much better now.
Good.
He's doing
We're
great.
Glad to hear that.
Yeah.
Now, at the end of the day, you have now spent several months dealing with Rohan Law and spending time with us. What was your experience like here with the firm?
Fantastic. Your staff is wonderful. You have our best interest in mind all the time. Kept us informed of what was going on and the steps that you were taking. So well organized, and communication was great, and we couldn't have been happier.
Well, we're sorry that you needed our services, but we're glad that we were able to be here and to help out and make what was otherwise a very difficult time in your life more simple. And that's what we want to do for you. So if you have been in a car wreck, if you find yourself overwhelmed, if you're in a situation where you don't know where to turn to next, give us a call. We would love the opportunity to come alongside you, just like we came alongside Kristin, and help you out with your worst day, because we want to be your best friends. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you.